it's Chloe.
Hi, it's Georgia, and today we're at Bosworth Park
In Latrobe, Tasmania. Let's go adventure. Ooh, look what we have here, Georgia. Let's make some music. Whoa, nice dancing.
Thanks, Chloe.
Would you like to have a turn?
Sure thing.
Let's play a quick game of noughts and crosses. I'll be the X.
And I'll be the O.
I'll turn them all around this way first. So we start with a blank space. Okay, I'll go first in this corner. X.
I'll put an O. Oh. Here? Hang on a second. They're all X's on the other side.
Oh well, looks like I won. Yes.
Should we check out this spinny thing, Chloe?
Let's do it. It's even got orange on it. Maybe I should lay down. Oh no, Georgia!
You're going so far. And back the other way.
Has it stopped yet?
I think you're safe to hop off.
Time to go up the climbing structure. I'm gonna go this way. Up these little steps. They're red and yellow. Up, up, up. Whoa.
I'm gonna go up this big, tall climbing frame. It's so tall. Oh.
Looks like I'll meet you at the top then, Georgia. There's another way to get up through here.
Whoa.
We've made it to the top.
Whoa. I can see so many things from up here.
Wow.
Hey, Adventure Squad. Where should we go from here, Chloe?
I think we must go down the yellow slide.
Chloe, we're gonna go down the biggest slide first. Would you like to go first, or would you like me?
You can go first, Georgia. It's nice to let other people go before you.
Okay then. Whoa, it looks very high. I don't know if I can do it. I'll have to be super brave. I do love slides. Whoa, that was so quick. I wasn't ready.
Now it's my turn. Let's go. Woo-hoo! Whoa, that was a bit bumpy. Guess what? There's another slide.
We'll have to go down the next slide too.
Let's go. Oh, back up we go. Oh, there's one here and one over there. I'll go on this one first. Ready, steady, swoosh! Woohoo!
Okay, right behind you, Chloe. Whoa! Whoa! That was quick.
Let's go again! Race you!
No fair, you're in front.
And I got pretty speedy legs. Ready, steady, swoosh! Whoa!
Okay, last slide. Whoa! That one was definitely the quickest.
That was so much fun!
Whoa. This one looks really spinny, Chloe.
We might have to hold on tight.
Maybe I'll get off and push you.
Great idea.
You can go round and round and round. Would you like to go slow or fast, Chloe?
Let's go fast.
Okay. Boom!
I'm holding on really, really tight here.
Whoa.
Wow.
Are you getting dizzy, Chloe?
Just a bit. I'm spinning around and around so fast.
Whoa, Chloe. Whoa.
Whoa. You should sit in that yellow seat there. It looks really comfy.
I might sit inside. Oh, I think I'm a bit stuck.
Should I push you, Georgia?
I don't know, I don't want to fall off.
You'll be okay, Georgia. Whoa, that was so spinny.
I was not expecting that.
Ball? Maze? Question mark?
Let's see.
Whoa.
Whoa. Can you see the little bowl in there, Chloe?
Oh, where do we need to try and get it? I think you have to do this nice and slowly to try and get the... Oh, look! I got it back to the start. And over here's the finish line. But that might be a bit tricky. We might be here all day. Dead end.
That's all right, Chloe. Let's go check out the swings.
Let's do it.
They have so many swings here. There's one for everyone.
And you can swing with all of your friends. What a lovely day today.
Oh, it's beautiful. The sun is shining so bright. Woohoo! My hat came off, Chloe.
Whoa, Georgia, guess what I can see from here?
What can you see?
I can see a bike track.
A bike track? But I didn't bring my bike.
Well, guess what? I did!
Yay! Maybe we can take in turns.
Sounds like a great idea. Should we go find it?
Let's go.
Ready? Let's jump off.
Whoa! Don't forget my hat. Whoa, is this a water fountain? After all that playing, I am so thirsty. Okay, let's let it run for a little bit. And then it should be safe to have a little drink. Nice fresh water. They even have a little dog bowl below. I think that's because there's a dog park just there. And after all they're playing, they might need a drink too. And they also have the perfect spot to fill up your drink bottle. I'll have to remember that for next time. I really like your bike, Chloe.
Thanks, Georgia. It's new. I've got my helmet to protect my head. It is green and light green. I'm gonna put it on my head. It's gonna keep me nice and safe. We must always wear head protection when riding our bike. Make sure you've also got an adult to supervise you. I must test that my helmet is on securely. Do you know how to do that, Georgia?
No idea.
Well, we've got to play some air guitar and have some head banging dancing.
Can I join in?
Sure thing. I think it's unsecure. Let's ride.
I'm so excited to watch your cool tricks on the pump track, Chloe.
See ya. Look how fast I can go. Woo! Down the big hill.
I'm right behind you, Chloe. Whoa! She's going so fast. I can't keep up.
Wah!
You can run around this pump track too. It's so cool. I'm coming, Chloe.
Georgia can't catch me.
I'm coming.
I'm
almost there.
That was so much fun. I went up and down and up and down. Super duper fast.
I made it, Chloe. This pump track is very tiring.
Would you like to have a turn, Georgia?
Sure thing. I have so much energy. Okay, Now it's my turn to hop on the bike, and I'm a little bit scared, but I've got this. I'm gonna be so brave. Okay, let me put the stand down so I can safely rest it while I put my helmet on. Oh, it's a tight fit. Oh, there we go. Some head in. This helmet's not going anywhere. Okay, now it's time to enter the pump track. But first, let's have a look at the bike and all the different parts it has. First, it has the brakes. When you're going too fast and you need to slow down, you slowly press the brakes to come to a stop. These ones here are the gears. These determine how hard you need to pedal your bike to go super fast. This is the bell. When you're on the footpath and there's someone in your way, you ding your bell and they'll politely move to the side for you. These here are the pedals. That's what you have to press so that you can go. These are the wheels and they help you to move. On my bicycle, there's only 2 wheels. That's because bi in bicycle means 2. These here are the chains. They are connected to the wheels and the pedals so that when you pedal, the wheels move too. And my stand so that my bike can go on its own and I don't have to hold it up. And I can't forget my drink bottle because when I'm riding, I need to stay hydrated. Okay, I think it's time. Flick. And on I go. Get ready. Get steady. And whoa!
Wow, Georgia, you're so good at bike riding.
I'm doing it, Adventure Squad. I'm going over the pump track.
You're going so fast.
Whoa, that bit's a little bit wobbly. Whoa, I did it. Maybe not as good as Chloe, but I just need a little bit more practice.
Great work, Georgia.
Maybe the footpath is the place for me.
Well, it's time to go home now.
We had so much fun here at Bosworth Park and the bike track in Latrobe, Tasmania. We'll
See you next time. Happy adventuring!